Hey everybody! So are you guys facing a problem in your GPay? And that problem is you guys are trying to link your bank account in your GPay and it's just not linking up. Well, you guys are at the right video because in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can fix your GPay's bank account problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you gotta check if your internet connection is fast or not. Because sometimes due to your slow internet connection, your GPay just does not connect with your bank. So make sure you have a fast internet connection or a stable internet connection. And the other thing is make sure your Google Pay is up to date because sometimes due to your Google Pay not being up to date, it's gonna not allowed to connect your bank account with your GPay. So you gotta update your GPay as well. And the other thing is you gotta be in a country where GPay is available because GPay is not available in every single part of the world. In some countries, GPay is still not available or it's banned. So if you're in that country and you're trying to link your bank account with GPay, it's not gonna work, alright? So make sure to check if GPay is available in your country or not. And the other thing is if you mistype the information of your bank. So let's say when you're entering your bank detail, if you mistype any information over there as well, then your bank account is not going to get linked with GPay. So you got to check if the information you entered is correct because if it is incorrect, it's not going to work. And the other thing is if your bank doesn't recognize this GPay as a reliable source of, receiving your money, they're not going to allow that transfer to happen. So if that's the case, you got to call your bank and tell them that do you allow to link your account with GPay? If they say yes, you can link your account. If they say no, then you can't do anything, and doing anything which I say in this video is not going to fix your problem. All right. So that's how we guys can fix your GPay bank account problem. Just make sure that your bank account allows that, linking to happen. Otherwise, it's not going to work. All right. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. Bye-bye.